Shamim Nambasa is a female Uganda who hails from Butambala and raised in Gwai Sekwende. She is a resident of Mukwenda zone in Makerere 1 parish. She has a track record of standing with the people of Uganda in general. She is a former head prefect at Nabisusa Girls School. She served as a guild representative councillor and academic affairs minister at Makerere University in the year 2019-2020. She also served as the guild president of Makerere University in the year 2021-2022. She possesses a bachelor's degree in pharmacy of Makerere University. She is currently the LC5 woman councillor for Kawempe 2, Kawempe Parish. Can you stand up? I would like to ask you a question. Which question may be also asked by the Chief Magistrate? Do you accept this appointment?
With a lot of honor and humility, I do accept it.
Right Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker, and Honorable Councillors, I designate Dr. Nakabugo Judith as Executive Secretary for Social Sciences. Dr. Nakabugo is the woman councillor for Machinde Free. She is a committed advocate for accountability leadership, quality education, and human rights. She holds a diploma in law from Law Development Center. She possesses a bachelor's degree of dental surgery of Makerere University. She is an old girl of Mount St. Mary's, Namagunga. She previously served as the 85th Vice Guild President of Makerere University. Currently serves as the Secretary for Professionals on the National Executive Committee of National Unity Platform. She is also an alumnus for a program of young politicians in Africa. Program. Do you, Dr. Nakabugo Judith, Dr. Nakabugo Judith, do you accept the appointment?
Your Worship, I'm honored for the appointment and I duly accept it.
Thank you. Right Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker, ED, Honorable Councillors, I designate Honorable Balimwezo as the Executive Secretary for Planning and Civil Works. Honorable Nsubuga is the LC5 Councillor for Nakawa 2, Nakawa Division. He is a Rotarian. He drives impact through the Godfrey Foundation, focusing on education, health, and infrastructure development in Nakawa. He previously served as Speaker of Nakawa Divisional Band Council, a graduate of Makerere University Business School, where he served as Guild Prime Minister and Chairperson for Bagana Kwazambugo Students Association. Aged 34, he is a Catholic a Catholic. Honorable Yonga, do you accept the appointment?
Your Worship, I exceedingly consent to the nomination and to the appointment.
Faridah
Right Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, honorable members of this council, I, this is great, Honorable Nakabugo as the Deputy Mayor I repeat, right honorables. I designate Honorable Nakabugo Faridah as Deputy Lord Mayor and Executive Secretary for Human Resource and Administration. Born on the 21st of December 1985 to Mr. Jamil Kabugo and now Kenya Nuriat. She sat for her UCE from St. Florence Secondary School, Namuona, and her USCE from Kama High School, Unamaya. She is married to Mr. Chikonyogo Ali and are both residents of Uluwaka. She is the current councillor representing Uluwaka. She is the current councillor representing Uluwaka 3. Uluwaka 2. Sorry, Uluwaka 2. And she has been a councillor, an authority councillor since 2016 to date. She was the chairperson of Human Resource and Administration Committee of Council in 2024. She was Secretary Women Affairs at the National Unity Platform for Command City District